In this video, I'm going to show you how you can pair Honor X1 earbuds with your Android device. So first of all, you have to simply open the case. And right now, just take off both earbuds. Put them close to your device. And right now, we have to go to the Bluetooth settings on our device. So we have to turn it on by tapping on this Bluetooth button. And then click and hold to enter the Bluetooth settings and then select to pair new device. Right now, when you take a look on the both earbuds, as you can see, they are blinking white right here. I'm gonna turn off the light to show you. As you can see right here, they are blinking. It means that they are in the pairing mode automatically when you take them out of this case. And then you have to just select them from the devices list. As you can see, right now we are successfully connected, and right now we can also check if we are able to pair them with the Honor application. So we can just simply open this Play Store or the App Gallery if you are using the other device. So here we can find the My Honor application. That's for sure the shopping app. So we can try to go for an Honor AI space and we can check if we can find them right here. Okay, let's open it and let's see if it works. First of all, we have to select the country, make the first setup. We can enable the location. Okay, and here we have to tap to add the device. And next we have to log in with the Honor ID, Honor account. So let me just make it. Like, comment and subscribe.